Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll add two numbers represented by linked list. So solve the problem. Now you have given two numbers num1, num2 and represented by linked list size n and m. And your task is to return a linked list that represent the sum of these two numbers. Now understand this problem through an example. First, in linked list, data is represented like this is head node, first one is head node. Okay, this is head node and this is data part, this is address part. Now this address part is pointed to next node data part, and this address node is pointed to next node data part, and last one is last address is null. Then in this example you can see there are two lists. Okay, and uh, we need to operate through right from rightmost of last node, this node, from this node rightmost of this node, and uh, we'll create these two nodes sum, these two nodes sum. After sum, there if there sum more than 9, more than 9, then it will carry 1, it will carry 1 to next node, this carry will go to next node. And you can see 8 plus 5 13. In there 1 3 is come and 1 is a carry, 1 is carry. And next 3 7, sum of these 3 plus 7 and previous node carry 1, it will be 11. And it is also greater than 9, so there will be carry 1. And in next example 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 10, and previous nodes carry plus 1 11, so it is greater than also 9, so it will carry 1. And next 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 7, and previous node carry 1 8, so it is less than 9, so there will be no carry. Another example, we created this rightmost of node. Okay, first 5 plus 8, this one 5 plus 8, of 5 plus 8 13, so sum is 13 and carry will be 1 because it is sum is more than 9, and it will added in this result. Then go to forward next step, and next node is 6 plus 4, you can see 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 1 previous node 1, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 11, so there it is also more than 9, so one carry will be add and sum is 1. And in step 3, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 5, and 5 is less than 9, so there will be no carry. But in previous step we have carry 1, so this carry will be add 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 6 1, plus 1 6, so sum will be 6. Okay, now how to solve this problem? What we do, we traverse the two linked list in order to presenting zeros in case list is having lesser than digits and then the other one, and start the head node from both list and call recursive function to next node. Okay, for next node, then continue till the end of list, till the end of list both side, if you start from rightmost node, if you or if you start from leftmost node, and creates a node for current digit sum and returns the carry. We have done this. Carry also add if greater than 9. Time complexity of this will be O of n plus n, and space complexity will be O of max n into m. Okay, now go to code. The code is so long, so I type this. Now step to step. First one, we need to get initialize a define a init variable, then it will be self data and self next, and we create a reverse, and then it will return to head, and we declare some variable previous time next node to none and head next, and make a while condition to next node, and it will return to previous temporary previous node will be go to temp variable. Okay, now it will return temp. Now we add two numbers, means two list. Okay, two list L1 L2, and if not L1 then it will L2, and if not L2 then it will return L1, and head will be initialized to L1 and tail will be none and carry will be 0 if there is no carry. And next one L and L2, L1 and L2, and we sum if I also discuss next node plus previous node carry. Okay, in this step. And last we defined two list self num1 num2, you can see, and num1 num2. Okay, num1 num2, and we make it reverse. Now compile it. Wait for a moment. Okay, runtime error 17. Okay, space. Now compile and run. Yeah, we got our expected output. Now submit it. This is done. Proceed. We solve our today's problem. I'll share this link in decision, this code link. Still then, tata, bye bye.